Hi and good morning! Welcome to our business presentation. Ang AIM Global or Alliance in Motion Global ay nagsimula noong March 18, 2006. Ang ating mga may-ari ay sina Engineer Francis Miguel, Dr. Ed Cabantog, and Mr. Jan Aspirin. For many years, marami na tayong nakuhang recognition and awards. But among all of these, we are proud to say that we were recognized by the BIR as one of the top 1,000 highest tax-paying company. Now, let's talk about Facebook online business. Marami sa atin ang mahilig mag-Facebook. But with AIM Global, you could use it to earn. This is best for OFW, empleyado, negosyante, estudyante, bakante, busy sa trabaho, at mahiyain. Because all you have to do is to learn the business and apply it at least 2 to 3 hours every day, and you will be amazed na kikita ka ng extra income even on a part-time basis. Then, eventually, pwede ka nang mag full-time. This is what happened to our distributors. They started on a part-time basis. Some of them were students, employees, businessman, some are even undergraduate. Meron din kaming tricycle driver, engineer, and college graduate. So, ibig sabihin, ang AIM Global ay opportunity para sa lahat. How to start the business? First, you have to purchase our global package. Ano naman ang laman ng global package? Number 1 is a combination of health and wellness products. We have C24/7 Naturaceuticals. It's actually an all-in-one food supplement made by Nature's Way from the USA. We have also complete KDC 24/7, Colidus, Restore Life, Live & Coffee, My Choco, White Light, Perfect White, I Protect 24/7, I Protect Home, Curlip, Bida Juice, Bida Max, Cardiopulse Check-Up. We have also Burn Slim, Burn Meal Replacement Shake, Live & Coffee Burn, and Burn Mate Iced Tea. We have also Deep Cleansing and Whitening Bar, Herbal Toothpaste, Feminine Wash, Masculine Wash, Oxygen Bar, Toner, Coffee Scrub, Strawberry Scrub, and Instant White. Number 2, magkakaroon ka rin ng 25% to 50% lifetime discount sa mga future purchases mo ng produkto ng AIM Global. Next, magkakaroon ka rin ng free personal assistant fund na worth 200,000 pesos, 50,000 unprovoked murder, 10,000 burial assistance, and 10,000 medical reimbursement. And number 4, free series of training. Dito mo matututunan kung paano gagawin ang negosyo ng AIM Global. And number 5, BDO ATM card and AIM Global ID. Number 6, you will get also free medical checkup and with Cardiopulse. Libre po yan. Number 7, distributor tracking center. Dito mo mamonitor your business 24/7 online. Number 8, you will get free business kit that you can use in sharing your business and products to your friends and loved ones. And lastly, number 9, you will get a free educational scholarship certificate that you can share to anyone you want. Mamimili lang kayo sa 500 school all over the Philippines na nakatie up ng AIM Global. For example, you choose Interface. If you have the scholarship certificate from AIM Global, you will be given a 50% discount on tuition fee. And for a 4 years course, nakasave ka ng 60,000 pesos. Magkano ba ang global package? It's only 6,980 pesos with all the benefits. Imagine, products pa lang, makaka-receive ka na ng worth 8,000 to 9,000 pesos depende sa option na pipiliin mo. Plus, may free insurance ka pa, may libreng check-up pa, at may scholarship pa na libre, at may business ka na. Papaano naman kumita dito sa AIM Global? Number 1, pwede ka magbenta-benta or retail profit like C24/7. For every box you can sell, you get around 330 pesos. Pag nakasampu ka, 3,300 pesos. At pag naka 20 boxes ka, you get about 6,600 pesos. Diba? Ang ganda. And number 2, you could also share the business. Paano yun? For every person na direct mong ma-refer, direct mong makakausap at may invite at napasali mo, nagbayad ng 6,980 pesos, you earn 500 pesos or $10. At kapag meron namang pares, you get 1,000 pesos. You bought the global package for 6,980 pesos. All you have to do is to share the products and the business to at least 2 of your friends. Sa left group mo, sumali si Angel. Nagbayad siya ng 6,980 pesos. Kumita ka ng 500 pesos. Si Boy ay nag-join din on your right sales group. Nagbayad din siya ng 6,980 pesos. Kumita ka rin ng 500 pesos. Now, when the system sees you have left and right, you get a pair. That's the time you get a bonus again of 1,000 pesos. Ibig sabihin, just by sharing the products and the business to at least 2 of your friends, you get 2,000 pesos. So, that's the system. Just get 2. Si Angel, nakapagpasali din ng dalawa niya, si Carl and Dondon. Si Angel earned 500 and 500 and a pair 1,000. May total income din siyang 2,000 pesos. Next, gagawin din ni Boy kung ano yung ginawa niyong magpasali ng dalawa. Just get 2. Nagpasali din siya si Eddie at Flor. Nag-join din ng 6,980. So si Boy earned din ng another 500 and another 500. And 1,000 for the pair bonus. Now this time, let's talk about you. Since may dalawa sa left group mo and dalawa sa right group mo, kahit hindi mo na sila kakilala, kahit nasa work ka, basta nakita ng system, you have a pairs, that's another 1,000 and another 1,000 pesos. Imagine, you get 2,000 pesos kahit nasa work ka or kahit di ka nagbebenta-benta, kumita ka pa din. Now, sila Carl, Dondon, Eddie, and Flor, gagawin din nila yung get 2. They will just invite at least 2 people each of them at pag may nag-join, may kita din sila. Now, let's talk about you. May bagong pumasok sa left mo na 4. Ganun din sa right, 4 din. When the system sees that you have another left and right, that's another pairs. That's 1,000 for you, another 1,000, 1,000, and 1,000. Imagine, kumita ka ng 4,000 pesos na posibleng hindi mo na sila kakilala. Hindi mo na rin kailangan maglabas ng 6,980 o magbenta-benta. And you could earn as much as 20,000 pesos per day, per account. That's how great the system is. Because if we just follow the system of the power of 2, wherein just invite 2 friends and join, and yung dalawang friends mo magpa-join din ng dalawang friends nila. So if everybody does the same thing in 1 year, imagine your capital of 6,980 pesos can earn around 2 million pesos in 1 year. Guys, this system tried and tested na po. All you have to do is to share the products and the business. Nakatulong ka na, kumita ka pa. Subukan mo lang, friend. Make a decision today and try it. Because with God and with AIM Global, everything is possible. By the way, my name is Jason from Team SWAT Alliance. Happy changing lives to all of you. God bless.